Did you know there's a natural plant so rich in nutrients that many people call it a miracle tree? If you've been struggling with nutrient deficiencies, this could change everything. And guess what? You can try it today. Check out the Moringa Magic Supplement, link in the description below. Moringa, often called the tree of life, is packed with over 90 nutrients, 46 antioxidants, and all 9 essential amino acids. That makes it one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth. So, can Moringa actually reverse deficiencies? Let's break it down. For iron deficiency, Moringa has up to 3 times more iron than spinach, helping fight fatigue and anemia. For calcium deficiency, it has more calcium than milk, supporting strong bones and teeth. If you're low on vitamin A, Moringa provides 4 times more than carrots, essential for eyesight and immunity. It's also one of the few plants with complete protein, all 9 essential amino acids. Plus, it's rich in magnesium and potassium, which boost energy, heart health, and muscle function. In simple terms, Moringa works like a nutrient powerhouse. It doesn't just cover gaps in your diet, it helps restore balance to your body, naturally. If you're ready to experience the benefits of Moringa for yourself, the Moringa Magic Supplement makes it easy and convenient. Just add it to your daily routine and fuel your body with the nutrients it's been missing. Grab your bottle today, link in the description below. Remember, deficiencies can affect your energy, immunity, and overall health. Moringa is nature's answer, and with Moringa Magic, you can give your body exactly what it needs. Don't wait, check out the Moringa Magic Supplement now. Link is right in the description below.